So you need flyers. They didn't come in from Tom Monty yet because the listing happened on Friday. Well, you're going to go to Maxcenter. You're going to sign in. Then you're going to go to Design Center. You're going to let it load. Once it loads, you're going to go to your projects, pick your property, and then you can create all these cool things in minutes. But we need a flyer. So we're just going to click flyer. We can edit it if we like, or just take a quick preview. Description. Do we like the photos? Yes, we do. Okay. Do we want to change the body? No. Is all the data correct? Yes. Save and continue. Is this correct? No. The office is 631-736-2000. And the mobile is 631-320-8848. Add anything else you want to add. Continue. Okay. We can preview. I like it. If I want a bigger preview, take a look right there. There it is. Done and done. We can download a PDF. Just download the image. That's what I'm going to do. And send it off to be printed. Okay, that's how you do it.